Hey, are you new?
Yes, first day.
Me too. Nervous?
A little, yes.
Same here. Relax.
Thanks, that helps.
What is your name?
My name is Mike.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
My name's Jake.
Cool name, Jake.
Thanks. Where are you from?
I am from Chicago.
Really? Me too.
No way, wow.
Small world, right?
Yes, very small.
What do you study?
I study engineering.
That sounds difficult.
A little, yes.
I study business.
Oh, interesting.
Do you like it?
Yes, very much.
Is this your first university?
Yes, first one.
Mine too.
Exciting, right?
Very exciting. And scary.
Yes, both.
Do you know anyone here?
No, nobody yet.
Me neither.
We are both new.
Now we know each other.
Yes, exactly.
Do you have a map?
Yes, right here.
Can I see it?
Sure, of course.
Where is Building B?
I think over there.
Thanks. Which class first?
Math 9.
I have English first.
What room?
Room 204, second floor.
My class is nearby.
We can walk together.
Yes, great idea.
Do you have your schedule?
Yes, right here.
How many classes today?
I have 4 classes.
Me too. 4 classes.
Long day ahead.
Do you have lunch break?
Yes, at noon.
Want to eat together?
Yes, sounds great.
Do you know the cafeteria?
No, not yet.
Me neither. We'll find it.
Together, yes.
Do you live on campus?
Yes, in dorm B?
Same dorm as me.
Which floor?
Third floor, room 312.
I'm on second.
Great. We are neighbors.
Almost neighbors.
Do you have a roommate?
Yes, one roommate.
Is he nice?
Yes, very friendly.
I live alone.
Is that good?
Yes, quiet and peaceful.
I prefer company.
Did you bring much stuff?
2 big suitcases.
Me too, so heavy.
Yes, very heavy.
Did your parents help?
Yes, my dad helped.
Mine came too.
It felt emotional.
Yes, I almost cried.
Me too, honestly.
But now I'm excited.
Yes, new beginning.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play basketball.
Really? I play too.
We should play together.
Yes, definitely.
This weekend, maybe.
Perfect. Let's do it.
I am excited now.
Do you have a laptop?
Yes, a new one.
Good, you will need it.
I know, lots of work.
Do you like studying?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Same. Totally same.
At least we are honest.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, every morning.
Me too. Always.
Coffee saves the day.
Yes, it does.
Where is the cafe?
I saw one outside.
Let's go after class.
Yes, great plan.
Coffee and new friends.
Best first day ever.
Getting better every minute.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use Instagram.
Me too. Follow me?
Yes, send me your name.
It's Jake_University22.
Done. I followed you.
I followed back.
Now we are connected.
Do you like music?
Yes, rock and pop.
I like hip hop.
Cool. Different tastes.
That is okay.
Yes, variety is good.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, on weekends.
We should watch together.
Yes, in the dorm.
Great idea, Mike.
This will be fun.
Class starts soon.
Yes, let's go.
Good luck today.
You too, Jake.
See you at lunch.
Yes, at noon.
Don't be late.
I am never late.
Haha, we'll see.
Ha, yes, we will.
Let's go then.
Let's go. Bye.